Now, if you have not watched the previous video that actually brought us to this particular section, go down in this particular video and drop that you're new to Outlier, and I'm going to be sending you the link that you're supposed to watch before watching this. So right here, we actually stopped at the process of adding a mobile number, a territory and a mobile number to verify our account, which we are going to continue in this process. Now, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews to also assist individuals online. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Like I said, if you're new to this Outlier platform, make sure you comment on this video. So I'm going to be sending you the link for you to watch the first video before getting to this particular aspect. Now right here, we are asked for a territory. So we are going to be putting in England or any other one you actually want to use. So I've actually added England. Now what is required is for me to put in a mobile number. So right here, I'm going to be putting the mobile number I have. So I'm going to be putting this number to verify my account. So you just need to follow this process so you get started with this. Now, this tax right on this platform is not difficult, which anyone can actually go on with. Now, right here, I've added my virtual number right here. So I'm going to confirm this number and I'm going to proceed with this. Now, the moment I add this, I'm going to come down right here and I'm going to click on agree to receive SMS message. So I'm going to click on verify phone number. All right, so this is the process. Now, a code has been sent to me. All I just need to do is to put in this 6-digit verification code and I'm going to proceed with this. So I've gotten this code. So I'm going to come right here and insert this code I've gotten from Outlier so I can verify my account. So this process is actually very simple. Just follow the process of adding all this and you're good to go. So right here, you can see that the number has been added and we are done in the creation of our profile. Now, the next thing you want to do right now is to come down to this particular verify identity, which is the second part of your account. What we are going to be doing right now is to make sure we read through all this so we don't make mistakes. So I'm going to be reading this so you can flow along with me. So right here, it said verifying your identity allows us to assure our customer that the data we provide is created by people who genuinely possess specific forms of expertise, safe, secure, and fast. Your encrypted data is securely handled by our third-party provided personnel. Okay, advanced technology ensures that only you can verify with your ID. Accept ID from 200 plus countries to help you verify quickly. Now, your question will be, is my country actually part of the 200 countries that will be approved, that is approved on Outlier for verification? So we are going to come right here and check this box. I confirm that I am 18 years of age and older. So you are going to click on this particular box and the next thing you want to do is to click on next. Okay, so right here you can see the other phase where we actually need to read all this and get started with our verification. Tips for successful verification: this must be your first and only Outlier account. Now I'm going to be explaining this part right here. You don't actually have to have multiple accounts after verification of your account. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you can't actually verify your account. That is what I actually mean. You don't actually have to have multiple accounts. Like me, I already have an account on Outlier, which I am currently using. Now, I'm making this video for you to create an account on Outlier to know what to do on Outlier. So right here, you can see where it says use an ID issued by the country where you currently located. Remember, I said this while creating your account. The location of which you are actually creating your account determines the ID card you are going to be using for verification of your account. The third one says ensure that your ID contains your photo and has not expired. So you are going to be using a valid current ID card for your verification. If all these are not put in place, you are going to be having issues while doing the verification on your account. Now, when you come right here, you are going to be seeing verify in a well-lit location where your face and ID will be legible to the camera. Meaning, what it actually means is that your face and your ID card should be clear enough to capture for verification. Now when you come right here, you can also see, make sure to use a physical ID. Photos, copies or screenshots will not be accepted. You must be at least 18 years old. That is actually all you need to get a successful verification. Now you can see right here that this account has been created successfully. That means we've actually passed the step 1. Now we're yet to finalize the verification aspect, which is the step 2. So all you have to do right here is to go through all this, and once you're okay with everything that are listed here and you have them ready, come right here to click on start verification. Now the moment you click on start verification, you will be required all these that have been listed right here, and once you are done with your verification, then you can now move over to the verify and skills, which means there will be a little assessment for you to do. Now once this assessment is being approved, then you are qualified to be a worker under Outlier, and you can start getting the benefits that are assigned to all workers of Outlier. Now this is a verified way of having to start up something online that you can actually put some income to the table. This is what I've been using as one of my side hustles, which have been helping me in the online space. However, these are the options you have if you actually want to go ahead with the uploading of your ID. Right here it says we require a photo of governmental ID from GB to verify your identity. Please be aware that you will have 3 attempts to do so. Now if you actually want to go ahead with driver's license, I can help you to do that depending on your location, be it United Kingdom, United States. I can go ahead to help you with the driver's license. For the national ID, I can also do that for you, but depending on your location. Now you can also go ahead with the passport if you are in the United States or United Kingdom. You can see voter's card right here and a shared code. Now these are the methods you are to use to verify your ID. And note, you need to make sure this attempt does not exceed 3 attempts. You have 3 attempts to go ahead to proceed with this. Now if you exhaust these 3 attempts, your account is likely to be blocked. Please take note of this. So another thing you want to do, if you're using a system, you'll be asked to either send a message, or you can go ahead to scan, or you can send a mail. So with this, you are going to be putting the mail you want to the link to be sent to before you can verify that. Now if you don't want to go ahead with this method, you can go ahead to follow the process of scanning and continue on your mobile device. All right, so these are the methods you can use to go ahead verifying your account via your mobile device, because I have never used a system to verify my account. So you will not want to joke with this while trying to verify your account. At the long run, if you have issues on your account, maybe creating your account, verifying your ID, or doing the assessment, you can reach out to me. I'll be putting in my Telegram handle on the pinned comment section, so I can tell you what to do and how to go about it. Some of you will have a question on, can I actually use this particular Outlier on a mobile device? Yes, you can actually create an account on a mobile device. What I advise you do, most times you are having platforms like this on your mobile, make sure you turn into a desktop mode so you can have proper view and how to access it with all features displayed on the screen. So these are what you need to put in place to get the actual setup of your Outlier and get approved quickly. So these are my experience while using Outlier, as I have been using this for a couple of months, and I think it is worth your time, because what you have to do right here is something everyone can do. Just train AI to get benefits after the work has been done. So these and many more you tend to get on this platform. If you have any question, like I said, feel free to drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to give response to that. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section, where you get updates, frequently updates on how to leverage online in today's world. So see you on my next video, and keep winning.